everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, you guys, I went to Pick and Save. Pick and Save is a affiliate whatever of Kroger. I'm really liking it. A couple years ago it was really hard to coupon at Pick and Save. They did have like double days, but then they recently stopped doing that. But I really like getting a lot of certain things at Pick and Save, especially like feminine products, because I donate a lot of feminine products to the local high school, and it's just nice getting some really good freebies. So I'm just going to share with you guys my haul of what I got for the buy five, you get $1 off. So basically they used to have it where you had to do it in five increments, and it sucked because there would be times where something was marked and it was not right, and then it totally messed it off. I've had to have that happen, and it just kind of sucks because I had to keep tally marks. Now you just need to get 5 items and then as many as you want. I think I got 21 items is what I got for that. So let's sorry guys, my camera died, and all of a sudden when it starts blinking, it's like you gotta hurry up. So I ended up getting some of the Febreze air fresheners. These are currently on sale for $1.99. No. Yeah, $1.99. I don't know why I'm thinking. And we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. So you guys will end up getting these for $1 or just like 50 cents a piece or 49 cents a piece. So I thought that was a pretty good deal if you guys need to get some Febreze. We also do have some buy one get one free coupons that we got in our P&G inserts, but it ends up being like $1.99. The 3 off of 2 is a lot better of a coupon. So definitely check that out if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So that was included in one of the deals. I ended up getting the Stay Free Maxi Pads. Now, I printed off a $2 off of 2 printable coupon from Stay Free. So these are $1.99. You guys want to use the 2 off of 2, so you guys would end up paying $2 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta ×2. So these come to be absolutely free. I think there is a limit of 2 with Ibotta. But if you guys need to get some feminine products, definitely go ahead and get those. So pretty good deal. I did get 2 of them. I just have the other one on the ground. Now, I also got some Stay Free. Now, the thing is, a lot of you guys, Kroger has this cashback thing. My store did not offer it until I went to the app last night, and they had this cashback thing. So I clipped it to my account. And when right before I filmed this video, I checked my account and it doesn't say there's any money. So please tell me how long it takes to get that money, because those offers are no longer in the thing that I clipped. So if you guys could let me know, that would be awesome. I'm still learning, you know, how Kroger works. Kroger is more becoming the grocery store in my area, but it's still Pick and Save, so it's like they do 50-50. I know it's weird, but please let me know how the cash back with the Kroger thing works. If you guys either message me or comment below, I would love to know. But the Carefree, now you have to get the Breathe or Breath. These are $1.99. There is a $1 rebate with Ibotta ×5, and there is a $1 rebate or cash back with Kroger, but you guys can get up to $5 back. So these come out to be absolutely free. So I did get 5 of them. So let me know. What was funny is they only had the 5 left. I did scan the tiny little ones. Those didn't qualify, and then they didn't have any other ones. There's like 3 different there's 3 different deals of these at Pick and Save / Kroger, but my store only had just this one kind. So I got 5 of these to share with you guys on that. So please let me know the whole cashback thing, because I would love to know. I ended up getting the Playtex Sports. My opinion, these are my least favorite. I've always had problems with this stuff, so this is mostly just going, you know, to donate. But these were $2.99. There is a $2 off coupon, or there's a $2 off rebate with Ibotta, and there is a $2 cash back. I think it was $2. So these end up becoming a moneymaker. I think it was like a $1.99 moneymaker. I cannot remember. I didn't write it down correctly. But you guys can get 2 of them, so they basically come out to be free. I think it's like a free plus it's a moneymaker. So definitely go ahead and do this if you guys need some feminine products. Now, I went crazy with cereal, you guys. When I always do the cereal deal at Walgreens, a lot of you guys are like, oh, Kroger's a better deal, Kroger's a better deal. And it is. It just depends on how you guys want to pay. There's some people who can't afford a lot of stuff right now, so Walgreens is probably a better deal if you guys can pay with points. It's all up to you. But I ended up going to the Kellogg's Family Rewards website this morning. Oh, one thing I did forget to mention, don't forget to submit your receipt to the P&G every day for the Febreze. I forgot. I even wrote it down and I forgot. So I went to the Kellogg's Family Rewards website this morning. It would not let me sign in. It kept saying that you're not clicking the robot thing, and I clicked the robot and then it just spins and spins and spins. So the website's down again. I just wanted to get going. So I just had some printable coupons that I got from when I went to Walgreens a couple weeks ago. I had $1 off of 2. I had a $3 off of, or $1 off of 3, and then I had a 50-cent mini wheat. So that's just all I used is what I had. So I ended up buying 6 boxes of cereal. They are regular $2.49, but with the buy 5 you get 5 off or whatever, they come up to be $1.49. So with all 3 of those coupons, the $1 off of 3, the $1 off of 2, and the 50-cent off coupon, it came to $6.44 for 6 boxes of cereal. Okay. But you guys can submit your receipts to Fetch Reward, or not Fetch. You can submit your receipt to, speaking of Fetch Rewards, I think the Carefree, never mind. But you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta. So with the mini wheats, you guys would actually get a 50-cent rebate back with Ibotta. And I'm going to tell you guys, they have the free book thing. If you guys have not noticed this yet, I've been really pushing the free books. I even made a video with all the details about the Kellogg's Family Rewards and how to get the free books, but they have it right here on the back of the box. If you guys buy any participating products, it doesn't have to have this on it. There is a list with all the UPC codes of this stuff that you can get. So what you guys would do is you just submit your receipt to the Kellogg's Family Rewards and you will get points. And then you also get credits for books. It's 10 books per household. So it's awesome. And they ship them to you absolutely free. So if you guys have not done this, go for it. You can also have an option to donate your books if you don't feel like you need any. But they have little kids, they have teens, and then they have like preteens, tweens, and then teens. I don't know. So definitely check it out. But with Fruit Loops, you guys will get a 40-cent rebate with Ibotta. The Corn Pops, you guys would get a 60-cent rebate with Ibotta. The Rice Krispie, you guys will get a 45-cent rebate with Ibotta. The Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, you get 45 cents with Ibotta. Just on repeat, you guys, because it's that crazy. And then with the Apple Jacks, you guys will get a 40-cent rebate with Ibotta. So that's just kind of what I use. So basically, it came to $6.44. I bought 6 boxes of cereal. I got 6 different rebates back with Ibotta. It came to $3.64 is what everything came out to be. So that comes out to be 60 cents for a box of cereal, which is a pretty good deal. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. It's getting kind of hard to do the breakdowns because everybody needs different stuff. I get stuff to give to my family, and then just, you know, I donate cereal. So I actually have to donate a ton of food, which I need to do that. So we got that, and then I got just a couple more items to go. They had a free, was it AHA sparkling water. They have like 4 or 5 different flavors. I walked down the aisle and I could not find it. I'm like, okay, lost cause, because I found like they had it in a 12-pack, and then I came back to look for some other kind of chips, and then I found it. So these were 10 for 10, but there is a freebie coupon that you guys can get it absolutely free. So if you guys want to get a freebie, definitely go ahead and do that. And then my favorite price for Goldfish is 99 cents. So they had the deals for the Goldfish, just 99 cents. So I ended up getting the regular whole grain Goldfish. And then we got something new of the veggie sweet carrot crackers. So we will see how these taste. I think Charlotte will absolutely love them, but these were 99 cents. So that was my haul, you guys. guys. Like, I didn't get much. I did get other groceries, but I didn't include it in this haul. But I was going to get the core. They had like a special flavor core water. My store didn't have it, but that was a freebie with Ibotta. And then I forgot to get the trolley gummies. They had some, I think they're like 10 for 10, and then there's cash back and there's a rebate, but totally forgot about it even though I had it written down. My total came to $31.39. I got $13 back with Ibotta. I will be getting $9 back, $9 cash back with why can't I talk? With the cashback thing. So let me know how that goes. And then so I submitted my receipt. It came to $8.59. And then all of a sudden I totally forgot about the Weekend Warrior. I needed 6 more rebates with Ibotta to get the Weekend Warrior between here and my Walmart haul. So I got $5 back for that. So my technically my total came to $3.59 for at 19 cents a piece, you guys. 19 cents. For 19 items, I got $3.59. I think that is a great deal. Cashier was scanning my coupons and she's like, wow, you must be a couponer. And I was like, yeah. And she's like, well, it's a good deal in cereal. And I was telling her about the free cereal, you know, the free books, and she's like, really? And I'm like, yeah. So I will insert all the video or all the pictures here, you guys. But yeah, plus I can get free books. So I got 6 boxes of cereal. That's 6 books that I can get absolutely free. And I'll get 100 points for the P&G for the Febreze. So that is awesome, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all another time. See ya. Bye-bye.